Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create an email blast using Web System 3, and I'm going to use this campaign as an example. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click the template name to get the files, which are the email HTML and the email header. So I'm going to save those. And then we're going to go to websystem3.com and log in using the practices username and password. So once you log in, you are at their dashboard, and you're going to go to campaigns and click the drop down for custom campaign. And then click create new campaign. For the campaign name, I like to leave it to the same name as the campaign. And then just add the year. And the subject line, I'm going to use the default one that we already have created for this campaign. Now copy and then paste it. And we're going to open the HTML now. And what I like to do is I like to copy and paste it in this HTML editor, just because it's a lot easier to edit in here versus in the practices editor, because every system is different. So I just find it easier just using the same platform. I usually like to just change the font to this font because it's a lot wider, I guess. And then we're going to add the link here. So the link should speak to our myopia control specialist today. So I'm going to use their book an appointment link. So I'm going to copy, and then we're going to link it and add the link here, target it to open a new window, then click OK. And then we're going to copy the source code and paste it into this Web System 3's source code. With Web System 3, it usually changes the size and it removes the color in text. So if you notice that the original files, this is much bigger, and then it also is in red, but when we added it to Web System 3, it removed the color and made it all the same size. So I'm just going to change the size to make it bigger. I'm not going to change the color, only because sometimes it's hard to match the exact same red. So I just find it best just to leave it as is. So once we do that, I'm going to click enter, just so we have a space up above so that I can add the HTML header. The email header. So I'm going to click the image, browse server, and we're going to upload a new file. Once it's uploaded, it'll be highlighted. So we'll just double click. If you need to change the size, you can change it here. But I don't need to do that, so I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to get another space above it so that I can add their logo. So same thing, we'll click the image button, browse server, and find their logo, and I'm going to link it to their website. I'm going to copy, paste it, and then have it open on a new page. Now once we do the logo, I'm going to use a space down below for their footer. With Web System 3, it doesn't automatically do one. So I usually like to copy the one from their website. So I just highlight here, copy it, and then paste it, and then change the font to match. And also this doesn't link all the time, so I'm going to highlight it and click link. Once it shows up there, I'm going to click target and then have it open on a new window. And then click OK. So once you are done adding all of the text and everything in here, you would click Save and Return to Campaign List. And then you'll see it right here at the top. If you click the campaign title, it will show you a preview. And you can also verify the links, make sure they're working. So that one opens up to their homepage, and then the one here should open up to their book an appointment. So the links are working. And then we're going to make sure this one works too. So that one is working. Now, if you want to send a test email, you can close out of here. Also, this shows you the subject line. So if you need to verify the subject line, you can do it here. And then to send a test email, you click Send. And then you have the option of sending a test email. So once you click this, you just enter the email address, send email, and it'll send a test email to that email address. And if you're ready to send, you would just click Save and Send to Patients, and a little loading bar will appear showing you that the emails are being sent. With Web System 3, you're not able to schedule email blasts for different days. So it's either send it now or send it on the day that you would like to send it. And that is how you send an email blast using Web System 3.